Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In a recent discusses an interesting concept regarding the Iraqi dinar's exchange rate and the potential impact of dropping 3 zeros from its nominal value. To break it down, when we take the current exchange rate of the dinar, roughly 1 USD equaling 13 on 10 IQD, and divide 1 by 13 on 10, we get an extremely small figure, 0.007643, which is less than a penny. This signifies that the value of the dinar is relatively low compared to the US dollar. However, what Militia Man suggests is that by dropping 3 zeros from the exchange rate, there is a dramatic shift in the value of the currency. Essentially, if the exchange rate becomes 1 USD to 1.31 IQD, this would mean that the value of the dinar is significantly enhanced. The calculation of 0.76 IQD to 1 USD presents a much stronger currency, increasing the purchasing power of Iraq's local currency by a substantial margin. This concept of removing zeros from a currency is known as redenomination, and it has been used by other countries in the past as a way to stabilize or increase the value of their currency. The idea is that by making the currency appear more valuable, it gains more confidence in both the domestic and international markets. For Iraq, this could mean an opportunity to strengthen its economy, especially if such a move were supported by the implementation of the Real Effective Exchange Rate, REER. The REER takes into account a country's inflation rate, non-oil revenue, and various other economic factors, providing a more accurate representation of the true value of the currency in the global market. By focusing on non-oil revenue streams, Iraq can potentially diversify its economy and rely less on oil exports, which have traditionally been the backbone of its economy. This would stabilize the economy and allow the dinar to gain more strength and stability in the long run. Iraq has a rich array of other resources such as agriculture, tourism, and industry, which could be harnessed to generate revenue. If these sectors are developed and contribute significantly to the economy, the dinar could appreciate in value, further justifying the removal of zeros from the currency. However, it's important to note that this process would not be instantaneous. Redenomination and the implementation of the REER would require significant policy changes, economic reforms, and a stable political environment. Additionally, the Central Bank of Iraq would need to carefully manage inflation and ensure that there is enough confidence in the currency domestically. The success of this strategy would depend on a well-structured approach and a strong commitment to implementing reforms that foster growth in non-oil sectors.